So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make histogram in Power BI. So a Power BI histogram chart is a great way to display frequency distribution of your data. There is just one problem in creating histogram in Power BI, that you can't find a built-in histogram visualization. So we have to import one. So let's see how we can import a histogram chart. So click on these three dots, click on get more visuals. Over here, search for histogram, and you can add the first chart. I have already added, so I will not add it again. So as soon as you click on the add button, it will get added in the visualization pane. So for this tutorial, I will be working with this students dataset. It has columns like first name, last name, CT, marks, and DOB. Let's say I want to display a frequency distribution for marks column. Let's see how we can do that. So we'll come back to the dashboard pane, double click on this histogram. We'll bring it over here. Now we'll put marks in the values column. Again, I will put, yeah. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a histogram for marks column, and it says that only one student have got marks between this range, which is 70 to 79. Three have got marks between this range, and three have got marks between 89 to 99. So in this way, one can make histogram in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.